Hello and welcome to this video on UI automation features in Cyclone RPA Designer and specifically on how to capture tabular data on a web page. Cyclone RPA Designer offers a wide variety of UI automation features, from launching software to simulating keyboard and mouse operations, offering numerous possibilities in designing automated processes. In this video, we are showing how to utilize Cyclone RPA Designer to automatically capture tabular data from a web page and export them as an Excel spreadsheet for future reference. The automation follows a four-step process. Step 1 is to open the web page in the browser. Step 2 is to make choices in the drop-down menu. Step 3 is to capture the tabular data on the web page. And the last step is to export the data as an Excel spreadsheet file. Before we can design the process, make sure that the extension or add-on in your browser is already installed and enabled. For example, in Chrome, check your extensions under More Tools and then Extensions. We can see that Cyclone Extension Tools is installed and enabled. Now, let's design the process. Create a new flow. We can name it Tabular Data Capture. Add an Open Browser node under UI Automation, Applications and Browsers. Choose a browser and fill in the address. For this node, we can set the exception handling to retry, the number to 3 times, and the interval to 1000 milliseconds. Then, open the address in your browser and add a click node. Hit Capture Element and the window is minimized, allowing us to capture the element we want the node to click on. We can see that a red square is following the cursor, indicating the recognized element. Press Ctrl and left-click on the Area box to capture the element. We can right-click the captured element for further operations, such as highlight and recapture. Highlight is to return to the web page and check if the element can be accurately recognized. We can check and edit the properties of the element in the element selector, such as matching conditions and application names. Next, add another click node to choose Beijing in the drop-down menu. First, click the arrow to call out the menu, and capture the option we want to click on using Ctrl and left-clicking. Similarly, add 2 more click nodes to choose Manufacturing in the Industry drop-down menu. Finally, add a node to click on the Apply button. Considering the time needed to load the web page after we click the Apply button, we can set the post delay to 1000 milliseconds. Next, add a Capture Table Data node. Click on Capture Table Elements. First, click a random cell in the table and choose Whole Table in the box. Check First Line as a header in the Preview interface, and click Confirm and then only the first page. In the node, give the output a name, such as Securities Prices. Next, we need to export the table as an Excel spreadsheet file. Add a Export Data Table node. The data table is Securities Prices from the previous node. And fill in the file path. Note that the file path can be a new file that doesn't exist already, which can be created in the process. Lastly, we need to close the web page. Add a Close Tabs node. Choose the corresponding browser. Fill in the matching content. In this case, we need to type in the keywords in the web page title and choose Wildcard Matching. And this is a whole process. Let's debug it. We can see that the process runs successfully, and the result file has appeared in the folder we designated. In the file, there are the data captured from the web page. And that concludes this video on capturing tabular data from a web page. Be sure to check other videos on our website for more information. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.